Kia ora, everyone. Kia ora, Mr Hantler. Nau mai, haramai, ki wiki tuatahi or Te Reo Māori. I hope you have your little worksheet in front of you that you can look at, or you can do the worksheet afterwards. But let's launch into it. Ko te mea tuatahi, ko he mihi iti. Ko wai koe, ko wai tō papa. Who are you and who is your father? We start with our papa because that's the most important thing to connect you with other people. So, ko wai tō papa. Here's my piece of paper, and my papa, my dad, his name is Rennie. So I'm going to write Rennie and practice saying ko Rennie tōku papa. Rennie is my dad. Ko Mr Hantler tōku ingoa. My name is Mr Hantler. Oh, well, that's an easy section 1. Ka mau te wehi. Section 2. He tēnei rā. So, kei te pēhea te āhua o te rangi means how is the weather. So I need to look outside and figure out what kind of a day it is. And chances are, if you live in Tauranga Moana like me, he rangi paki tēnei. A fantastic day. That's what I'm going to write. I might circle it so I don't forget, and then just copy. He paki tēnei rā, or he rangi paki tēnei. Ai, ka pai. The next section. Well, actually, let's just double check these ones. Hauaua, rainy as. Pāroro, stormy. Hau nui, windy as. Paki, beautiful day. Ka puapua, cloudy. And makariri, cold. Not necessarily snowing, but kind of hard to denote cold. Alright, the next section, can you guys repeat after me? Kei te pēhea koe. Kei te pēhea koe. Kei te pēhea koe. And if you want to do the sign, kei te pēhea koe. So this is how we answer that question. How are you? I can be happy. Can you say harikoa? Whakatoi, a little bit silly. Ngenge, a little bit tired. Pōuri, oh, bit sad, Bit sad. Manaho, super jazzed about something, excited. And hoha, is a little bit miffed. It's not angry necessarily, it's just annoyed or a little bit over it. How am I feeling today? Oh, actually, āhua whakatoi aho. I'm feeling a little bit silly. Whakatoi. Kei te whakatoi aho. Now you can go around and ask your friends, kei te pēhea koe I tēnei rā. How are you today? And they can say, kei te whakatoi aho, or however they're feeling. And the final section, kei te aha koe, what are you up to? Aho means me. Kei te denotes that it's happening right now. And this is the activity. Now we should know lots of these from our warm-up game. Tiro look, e tu stand, oma run, e tu. Peke, 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 e tu. Hoody, 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 e tu. Kani, 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 e tu, etc. So we know lots of verbs already from our Te Reo Māori warm-up. So, number 1 has been done. Kei te eke paihikara aho. I am biking. Now, in English, of course, we would put the aho at the beginning. Aho kei te eke paihikara. Engari, kei roto i Te Reo Māori, we put who is doing the thing at the end. So I'm going to do one. Kei te, what's the word I know? Ooh, paki paki. Do you know what paki paki is? Show me a paki paki. Oh, thank you very much. Kei te paki paki aho. Now, extra for experts. Aho is me. Koe is you. And ia is him or her or them, but singular. Yeah. So, him or her. Great. Kei te paki paki aho, and then I draw a picture of myself. Now, Mr Hantler is not an art teacher. I'm just going to do his hands out and my big hands. Sure. Clap. And I'm stoked about it. Woo! Great. Kei te paki paki aho, and then our last one, I'm not sure. Huri huri, peke peke, kani kani, aho. Of course I'm going to write the kei there. And then action, aho, and draw the picture. Now bonus one, write another kei there sentence in your book. Bonus 2, write one cool thing you learnt today. I actually like to use that time to help a friend to finish their sheet. Ka kite everyone,